If you're tired of overpaying but still want top-notch service, then it's time to negotiate with a secret weapon, ChatGPT. Step 1. Prep and research. Gather all your bills and let ChatGPT help you find cheaper alternatives. From utilities to subscriptions, we've got you covered. Next, draft your request. ChatGPT is a pro at writing persuasive emails. Mention your loyalty and any better deals you've found. Being polite goes a long way. Now, let's talk strategy. Outline key points with ChatGPT's help. Complement the service, but make it clear you need a better rate. Know what you're willing to accept. Got an offer? ChatGPT can help you evaluate if it's good enough or if you need to push for more. And don't forget follow-ups. ChatGPT's got your back for that too. Finally, document everything. Keep track of all communications and agreements. ChatGPT can remind you what to note down. So, ready to cut down those bills? Give ChatGPT a try and save big. Happy negotiating.